SpaceX did something amazing. They achieved a milestone that marks a significant step forward in space exploration and technology. They pulled a giant rocket part from the ocean. This wasn't just any part, it was a crucial component of their ambitious space program. This part is called the Super Heavy booster. It's an essential element designed to provide the immense thrust needed to propel spacecraft beyond Earth's atmosphere. It's a key piece of their powerful Starship rocket. The Starship rocket is a fully reusable spacecraft that SpaceX envisions for missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. The booster helped launch Starship into space. During the launch, it separates from the main spacecraft after providing the initial thrust needed to escape Earth's gravity. After the launch, it landed in the Gulf of Mexico. SpaceX then retrieved it. This recovery operation is a testament to their engineering prowess and dedication to reusability. This is a big deal for space travel. Successfully recovering and reusing rocket parts can drastically reduce the cost of space missions. It shows that SpaceX can recover rocket parts from the sea. This capability is crucial for the sustainability of future space missions. This is important for making space travel cheaper and more sustainable. By reusing components, SpaceX can lower the cost of each mission, making space more accessible. Reusing rockets means we can explore space more often. Frequent launches will enable more scientific research, satellite deployment, and even potential human colonization of other planets. It's like recycling, but for rockets. This innovative approach not only saves money, but also reduces waste, contributing to a more sustainable future for space exploration. The Super Heavy booster is a marvel of engineering. It's as tall as a skyscraper. This powerful machine is what gives Starship the power to escape Earth's gravity. Imagine the force needed to push a spaceship to space. That's what the Super Heavy does. It uses powerful engines called Raptors. These engines burn fuel to create thrust. This thrust is what propels Starship upwards. Without the Super Heavy, Starship wouldn't be able to reach orbit. Why did SpaceX go through the trouble of retrieving the booster? It's a question that many people have asked, especially considering the immense effort and resources required to bring these massive structures back to Earth safely. It seems like a challenging task. The process involves precise calculations, advanced technology, and a highly skilled team to ensure the booster lands correctly and can be recovered without damage. There are a few reasons. First and foremost, reusability is a key factor. By reusing boosters, SpaceX can significantly reduce the cost of space travel, making it more accessible and sustainable in the long run. One reason is to study the booster's engines. These engines are marvels of engineering, designed to withstand the extreme conditions of space travel. These engines endure extreme conditions during launch and landing. The intense heat, pressure, and vibrations they experience are unlike anything else. Examining them after a flight can help SpaceX learn how to make them even better. By analyzing the wear and tear on these components, engineers can identify areas for improvement and innovation. This information is valuable for improving future rockets. Each recovered booster provides a wealth of data that can be used to enhance the design and performance of subsequent launches. It's like studying a car after a long race. Just as mechanics inspect a race car to understand its performance and make necessary adjustments, SpaceX engineers do the same with their rockets. You learn what worked well and what needs fixing. This continuous cycle of testing, learning, and improving is what drives innovation and progress in space exploration. Ultimately, the goal is to make space travel more reliable and efficient. By bringing back and studying these boosters, SpaceX is paving the way for a future where space travel is not just a possibility but a routine part of human life. So the next time you see a SpaceX booster being recovered, remember that it's not just about bringing it back. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible and taking one step closer to the stars. Retrieving the booster also allows SpaceX to study the effects of seawater on its structure. The ocean is a harsh environment. Saltwater can be corrosive to materials. By examining the booster, SpaceX can learn how to better protect their rockets from the elements. This knowledge is crucial for making space travel safer and more reliable. Each recovery operation provides valuable data. This data helps SpaceX refine its designs and procedures. Another important reason for recovering the booster is to protect our planet. Space junk is a growing problem. It's made up of old satellites, rocket parts, and other debris. This debris can collide with other spacecraft and create even more junk. By retrieving their rockets, SpaceX is helping to reduce the amount of space junk. This is a responsible approach to space exploration. It shows that SpaceX cares about the long-term health of our space environment. SpaceX is already preparing for Starship's next test flight. They are constantly learning and improving their designs. Each flight brings them closer to their goal of making life multiplanetary. The next flight will be another step forward. It will test new technologies and gather more data. Every launch is a learning opportunity. SpaceX uses each flight to refine its procedures and improve its rockets. Before Starship can fly again, it needs approval from the FAA. The FAA is a government agency in the United States. They make sure that space launches are safe for people and the environment. SpaceX works closely with the FAA to meet all the safety requirements. This process is important to ensure responsible space exploration. Safety is a top priority for SpaceX. They want to make sure that their launches don't pose any risks. The future of space exploration is looking bright with SpaceX leading the way. This pioneering company, founded by Elon Musk, has set its sights on making space travel not just a dream, but a reality for humanity. Their innovative approach to rocket design and reusability is changing the game. By developing rockets that can be launched, landed, and reused multiple times, SpaceX is significantly reducing the cost of space travel. With each successful launch and recovery, they are proving that space travel can be more sustainable and efficient. This breakthrough is not just a technological marvel, but a step towards making space more accessible to everyone. They are bringing us closer to a future where space travel is more accessible and affordable. Imagine a world where space tourism is a common reality, where people can book a trip to the Moon or Mars just like they book a flight to another country. Imagine a world where we can travel to other planets as easily as we travel across continents today. This vision is not as far-fetched as it once seemed, thanks to the relentless efforts of SpaceX. As easily as we travel across continents today. The advancements in technology and engineering are paving the way for a new era of exploration and discovery. That's the future SpaceX is building towards. Elon Musk's vision of a multi-planetary existence is driving the company to push the boundaries of what is possible. It's a future full of possibilities. A future where humanity is not confined to Earth but can explore the vastness of space, discovering new worlds and new opportunities. The journey has just begun and the possibilities are endless. SpaceX's work is not just about rockets and technology. It's about pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity. It's about inspiring future generations to dream big and reach for the stars. SpaceX is rekindling the spirit of exploration that has always driven humanity forward. They are showing us that anything is possible if we dare to dream and work hard to achieve it. SpaceX is constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in space exploration. They are not afraid to take risks and try new things. This bold approach is what sets them apart. They are not just following in the footsteps of others. They are forging their own path and setting new standards for the industry. Their work is an inspiration to innovators and entrepreneurs around the world. Perhaps the most important impact of SpaceX's work is the inspiration it provides to the next generation. Seeing rockets land back on Earth after a journey to space is nothing short of magical. It sparks a sense of wonder and curiosity in young minds. It makes them believe that they too can achieve great things. SpaceX's ocean retrieval of the Super Heavy booster is a testament to their innovative spirit and commitment to advancing space exploration. It's a reminder that we are living in an extraordinary time, a time where the impossible is becoming possible. As SpaceX continues to push the boundaries of space travel, we can all look forward to a future filled with endless possibilities.